Hello viewers, welcome back. In this video, we'll discuss about limit function. We already use the limit function in PLC program, but we want to use the limit function in HMI. We don't want to use the function in PLC program. Here you can see the math function, that is limit. We already use that limit function. That if we want to use a limit that is 0 to 100%, here I will give 0 to 100.0, and that is a real value. Suppose it is a real value, and here our input is from HMI. Suppose our input is from HMI limit, and that is a real value. Okay, now how we have used the limit function? That data HMI limit, and we want to write that limit value in limit out. Okay, and we'll use that limit value is data log limit out. Okay, so our input HMI limit, and here limit out. If we give a more than 100, the output will be 100%. So how it will 100%? Here I will take a IO field from the element. I will make a interlock or make a program from the HMI, that is HMI limit. Okay, now I will run the simulation. Okay, it is showing that hashes, means that value is not found in PLC because we didn't download the program after changing. Okay, now you can see it is showing 0 0. Now from here I will give set point 500, that output is 100. So it uses a limit function that more than 100 is going to out will be 100. If it is 99, so it is a 99, but if it is a 101, it is 100. Okay, this is a use of limit function in the program, but we will not use that limit function in program. And we use the limit function in program, then here it need another tag. But if we use the limit function from HMI, it will not need it. Some cases it needed that some value is not from the HMI, but it is from the PLC internal. So that cases we will use the limit function here. But if some setting from the HMI, then we can limit the function. We can limit the value from the HMI. How? Here we have take the, if you go to the HMI tag here, we can see that just now we have added a tag, that is data block to limit. If you select that tag and go to properties, we can see some setting here. See, we will discuss one by one later. So here is a range. we'll use that range function to make the limit. Okay, here our limit say 100.0. Okay, and lower limit you can use that 0. Okay, now I will get the program from that one. Okay, now I will download as well as I will make. Okay, I will resimulate the HMI program because we have changed. We need to download that HMI program. Okay, now here this is our output that now will, if I make a monitor, if you set here is 500, you can see value range exit, so value will be 0. If you give a 100, it is 100. If it is 107, it is still 100. You cannot set 108 or more than any 100. You can set 50. You can set 0. You cannot set minus 0.5 like this because it limit as a 0. If you make change here that, sorry, it is from the HMI tag, go to properties, that if you want to change the limit that it is 10, then simulate again. Okay, now again say the data block is now monitoring as a. Okay, now we'll give a 100 because it was earlier it was 100. Now download, it's showing the value range exit. If you give 0, it will, if you give 8, it will, here you can see it is 8, but if you set it as a 10, it will, it is 10, but if you set it 11, it will not taking the 11, it will show the value is exit. So by this way you can limit the value from the HMI without using the limit function in program, PLC program. Hope this will help you. Thank you.